bad idea.
That's the last thing to do.
The motherboard?
Here, slide that.
Why?
Slide that
Why?
in. Just not right now.
You know what the motherboard is?
It's boring. No, shush.
Get your motherboard open. Guys are...
Are we supposed to?
I'm trying to get everybody to open stuff. Come on.
And they...
Come on, guys.
Can we open this?
Let's open up the graphics card.
We have to pop the bubble up. Well,
This is a hub for everything you plug in.
okay.
This connects everything together. That's the CPU socket, RAM. These are
Careful.
plug-in graphics card right here. Plugins and stuff, and that's your CPU power. You have to push it down. There you go. Somebody grab that.
I'll hold the cords.
All right, go. Go back.
Oh yeah,
Don't.
Ow! What are we pumping out?
You should be talking them through it. You should be talking them through it.
Graphics card right here. There's a notch in the line. Plugins and stuff. It's really great. You have to lift. So this is a hub for everything you plug in. RAM goes here, connects everything together. I know RAM
You
sucks.
should be talking them through it. I had 2 pairs of scissors out and they're both on.
This is the graphics. All it does. I'm trying to think of it.
It's the brain.
It's the brain, but it doesn't do graphics. Let's say that. And the graphics card, all its job is to do is to produce graphics.
Okay.
So these are 2 independent, but this is pretty much a tiny computer. And there should be a yellow. Yeah, here it is, a little arrow. I'm just gonna go ahead and do it for you because you got your hands full.
Like what the corner goes with.
There's
a arrow.
There you go. Now, 0 pressure. All you have to do is drop it. Wait, is that the? No, you're good.
There we go.
Yeah, you're good. And now you can just push that down, and there's a little. Yep, there you go. Okay. Before we do this, hold on. I want to see. So these are the SATA ports right here. They're pretty much labeled 1, 2, 3, and 4. So you guys just put one of them in there. Doesn't really matter which one. I'll go ahead and take this. This even supposed to
The graphics card
completely retarded, but
is being inserted.
hard drive. I want you to just plug it into the SATA. You just look on the back, and there's 2. See how there's 2 separate ports?
Oh yeah, all right. Yes.
Interesting fact, they actually use SATA, the SATA and the power for the Xbox Slim, which is crazy for Xbox to do. They're normally difficult with everything they do.
See, we don't understand what that means.
You know the Xbox Slim?
Yes.
They use the same hard drive as regular hard drives.
Yeah, we don't understand how crazy that is.
It's crazy.
Do you want to explain?
Did I just freaked you out? Did I just blow your mind?
Do you want to
Everyone's
explain that to the
mind
audience?
right now.
How crazy
All
that
they
is?
did was take a hard drive, they put it in a piece of plastic.
Drop it.
Just like that.
And make millions off it.
Made millions. Okay. Because you could say this is a Molex. These are Molexes. These are used for like fans and different stuff like that. That is just an extra fan, so like the CPU, if you really wanted to, you plug it. Main power source.
I wonder what you look like too.
Turn it around.
Optical drives. More optical drives, and that's about it.
Where?
Hard drive.
Oh.
Yeah. Sorry, I didn't really tell you.
Yeah.
Did I do it wrong?
If it clicks.
You gotta wait
in
till
there.
it clicks.
Yeah.
Keep going. Don't.
Nope.
Crap. Okay, hold on.
Thanks to other groups.
Oh, guys, I'm sorry. We need to pack it up, download your film, find a computer that you
Oh, no.
are going to download your film on and bury it so that
Give me
nobody
the-
Time to go.
can for you.
That would make it
I
sense.
know, no.
No.
Yeah, you need to download it. Get your stuff downloaded, throw away your trash, there's garbage right out there.
What?